First course I'm going to cook today is going to be a baked camembert in the woody. Going to put a little bit of fresh garlic in there, some fresh rosemary, and then going to accompany that with some fresh grissini, using the pizza dough to dip into all that gooey cheese. Cut up a little bit of fresh garlic, some rosemary, and then just going to insert that into the camembert. And yeah, bake it off in the woody.
Yeah.
Needed your Japanese knives, didn't I?
Woke up with a fire burning, desire yearning to rise to a place of higher learning. Apply the work and no question, I deserve it. My mind is certain, the moment I step from behind the curtain. So cold when I rep my entire purpose, float over your head like a flying circus. Yo, I never been lying, never been mediocre with the rhymes. Never will see a moment when I'm sleeping on it, cause I keep it potent with the lines. Leave them over to the side, these bitches be creeping on me on the slide. Still it's a need to know that I ain't keeling over, man, I'm feeling focused all the time.